Y'all gonna be friends? Y'all gonna be friends? You wanna be rubbed? Here you go. Let me brush you down there. Good job. What about you, Sawdust? You wanna be rubbed on? You like to be brushed? Huh? Jeb likes it. Jeb likes it. Come here. You like it too, Sawdust? Yeah, I thought you liked being brushed. Nothing like that. Feel good, doesn't it? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You say, I want some more of that. So does Jeb. Jeb likes it. Don't you, Jeb? Uh-oh, I feel a kookaburra. Now, you two want to visit? You two want to visit? Yeah. Best friends forever, right? Best friends forever. I hope. Y'all better get along. I'm afraid that one of you's about to take a chunk out of the other one. Oh. Jeb does kick there, Sawdust, so you better be careful. I don't know if y'all are gonna ever really get along. Seems to be too much jealous competition going on here. Okay. You're dusty. What's this Mexican standoff thing going on here? Kissing now? Well, that's just kind of weird. I don't know if I'd call that getting along or not. Just afraid Sawdust is about to get kicked. And when she does, she'll know where she should put her nose. I guarantee it, it should not be there. Oh, here we go again. I wonder if this is dominance. That Jeb is trying to show over this dog is leaning over with his neck. Seems like it. I guess that's how we respond to dominance when we don't like it. Jeb's like, I'm done. I was being nice. Sawdust is being a jerk. Okay.